are working on this rusty tractor here, and I figured I would show you all a little trick. And this thing, the valve cover, the whole engine compartment was a pack rat nest full of straw and dirt and everything, and the valve cover was completely covered with this straw and stuff. The valve cover itself actually rusted out. Look at that rocker cover. And all that rust and dirt and everything got down in the engine, and so, plus water, so this thing is a mess. And we're going to try to help capture all of that rust with adding a magnet to the dipstick, or to the oil plug. Now you could probably buy one. I don't know if you could buy one for this. And is that a magnet already on this one? Let me get something metal. It is not. So it's got something right there, but it is not. Take that back. It is slightly, I mean, just, it's got a little bit of pull to it, but not enough to catch the junk that is in this engine. And so what we're going to do is clean that plug up. And I don't know if you could buy one that's already, you probably can't. This is a Hinomoto tractor. Well, it's actually a Southern tractor, but I think Hinomoto actually built it. So I picked up these. You can get them in different sizes, and you can probably buy them online cheaper. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. It's about the only time you can, about the only time I've willingly been inside a craft store. But these are neodymium magnets, rare earth magnets, and they are a lot stronger than your average magnet. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put one on this oil plug, just like that. And that's going to help. Like I said, this thing before had a little bit of magnetism to it, and you can see now it's got a lot more. I mean, it's strong. Before, I mean, it not strong at all. It would probably stay stuck by itself, but we're gonna clean this up real good. Like I said, I hit it with some brake clean, and I'm just gonna, you could do some epoxy or something that would probably do better than this, but I'm just doing, this stuff will probably not last, but like I said, it probably will stay stuck itself. This is just Loctite Super Glue, and we're just gonna, you know, flip it over. It's only gonna, since that is a magnet on that side of it, it didn't want to stick the other way. And we're going to let that sit. And now we have magnetic oil plug. Like I said, this one had a magnet on it before, but it was just barely magnetic. This one will really attract any rust and stuff that is down in this engine. So, pretty quick and simple. You can pick these things up in different sizes. And I used the coupon. I got 40% off, so they're not expensive. Like I said, you can get these online. I'll try to find some different sizes and put some links in the descriptions. And you could, like I said, epoxy would probably work better than super glue, but I really don't think I'm going to have much of an issue. Even if it did come off, I mean, and if it's just sitting in the bottom of the oil pan, it's just going to attract the rust and keep it, you know, in that central location. So it's not a big deal if it comes off. So Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more. Look at what our magnet caught. Pretty good, huh?